The dashboard app is where we can assign real-time visualizations for our sensor data so that we can assess the health of our machines quickly and reliably. So let's begin. So inside of the dashboard tile, we'll find our sensor information. By default, each sensor has a simple dashboard already. What we will do first is organize our tree over here on the left-hand side. To do that, we want to click on Open Device Management, then click Location Elements. Each one of these elements you'll see here are all the same thing. They're just helpful hints on what you might want to use. In my case, I'm going to take Machine, add it underneath Base, and call it Machine 1. Now I'm going to take these sensors and drag and drop them onto Machine 1. Now that's complete, and we can click on the Close Device Management button above. It will take us back to our dashboards, and now we can click on Machine 1. We can come over here to the new dashboard icon. I'm going to toggle on Public because I want to share this dashboard with any user that would sign into Moneo. I'm going to come up to the top right corner here and select Edit Background Image. In this case, I want to use an image of an application. So I'm going to click Select File and then select Process Tank. We can also change the size of our image if we wanted to. This looks acceptable and we can click OK. Now I can take temperature data from the TR, drop that in, and then take pressure data from the pressure sensor. Now this data is coming through into the dashboard while we edit it. Additionally, on each one of these dashboards, there's a little pencil button up here that can change the visualization of the data. If you would rather have that be a gauge for temperature, for one reason or another, you can make it a gauge. We can come over to pressure and change it to be a line chart, which is going to give you data by default at a 5-minute range. Now press OK. This looks like a nice size for the graph. We can make it a little larger by dragging and pulling this over a little bit. Okay, now we can see the data coming in. Let's go and click Save. Now we've completed setting up a dashboard for our machine. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products, or contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.